This is a room tour of room 432 at the Hotel Vermont in Burlington, Vermont. Here's a floor plan. You might have already noticed by the time you get in the room, you have a foyer. This is a normal hotel room. This is this room. This is a 2 doubles room, maybe a little bit bigger than these ones right here. We have a microwave, 2 cabinets down there. They're empty. We'll start with the bathroom. Down here you have a hairdryer, some towels, Vermont handmade soap, Hotel Vermont specific lotion, lemon lavender. Ignore that. We have wasted wipes toilet paper, nice shower curtain. This shower gel smells really good, by the way. Really good. Double faucet head, backlit mirror, lamp over here in the front, which I assume goes on. Maybe it's powered by the switch. Okay, we have a top light here. You have a mirror over there, thermostat here. Look at the room. Under bed lighting. We have an old school looking radio, a K-cup maker, a little information about the hotel with some scannable items, a Whirlpool bedroom bedtime menu. I guess they can put stuff in your bed. Notepad with a pencil, a lamp, which, oh, this touch button up here, little plant. Here's a view of the water. We're in a north side facing room. Over here, that's my water TV remote. You have Vermont made mugs. You can't take them, you can buy them. Vermont glasses. There's a cow on them. Water, ice. Down here is a fridge. If your room is equipped with a fridge, you'll have a fridge. We got, these are full-size beds, I believe. So, under bed lighting, phone, Vermont books with a Vermont almanac. Bed here. And that's it. Let me know what you think.